This is the majestic waterfalls. It's beautiful. So we took the route from Juwai. It is roughly 5 hours from Guwahati, and the road, lush green ways. It's just so beautiful. We had to cross this river. It's coming down as a waterfall. This road is scary, but I think I love it. Reach the waterfall, we have to hike down. The trek is about 20 to 25 minutes if you're in practice. I feel like I'm in movies. This is just so beautiful. I loved everything about this waterfall. I enjoyed so much. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and see you soon.